Honey, do you remember when we got robbed?
Yes, it was so scary.
We went out that day to eat something because we hadn't eaten. We were walking when two homeless guys showed up and told us to give them money.
We resisted, and the crazy dude with the beer and the bathrobe threw dust at us. I don't know why, but we gave them the money.
Master, do you remember when we robbed that couple?
Yes, they were so easy to rob.
We were on our home and we saw a weird couple walking by. They looked like they had money, so we decided to rob them.
They didn't want to give us their money, so the master threw the magic dust and hypnotized them.